Moving swiftly on, Captain Gustavo Medina is from Peru. So welcome, Captain Medina. Former LPG and oil tanker master and currently working in TRANSGAS shipping lines, a Peruvian shipping company located in Lima. He's the company's DPA and also the company's safety officer as per the ISM code. He's also the quality manager for TRANSGAS and also an STS service provider in Callao, which, as he reminds us, is the main Peruvian port. The company owns 16 tanker vessels, and it is the only one STS service provider in the local area. Captain.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello. Kalispera. First of all, I am really happy to be here in this forum, mainly in this beautiful country. Thanks, DYNAMARINE, for the invitation. My name is Capt. Medina. I'm coming from Lima, Peru, in South America, too far from here, many times for flying. So I work for a shipping company. The name is TRANSGAS Shipping Line. As you see, this is our people. They look very happy all the time. Thanks to our CEO. Okay. Okay, my company provides a different service to the industry, but the main of them is provide technical management to our own vessels. During the last year, we opened a new business as a ship-to-ship service provider. So at this time, we have performed 3 operations in Peru during the last 12 months. We operate, as I told you, 16 oil and gas tanker vessels. You can see some of them. Our vessels are working around the world. One of them is working actually for Repsol, on behalf of Repsol in Peruvian main port in Callao. It's as a bunker vessel. Our company has more than 26 years as tanker vessel operator, more than 10 years as experience on bunker vessel on behalf of Repsol, and more than 3,000 bunkering operation with zero oil spills incident, fortunately. Let me tell you something about Peru. Peru is located in the west coast of South America. The capital is Lima, and the main port is Callao. Callao is the only authorized location approved by the port authorities in order to perform ship-to-ship operation. There is no other place in Peru to authorize it to perform operations. This is the port of Callao. The Area 12 is the only area authorized for port authorities. As you can see, the distance from the port is only 3 miles, so any kind of assistance can be attending in a fast way. The island you can see in the left corner below is a big island. We are only see the small part of this island, though this island provides a natural protection to the area number 12. So the weather condition in Callao are all the time very good. Calm weather, no strong wind. It seems to be a paradise for ship-to-ship operation. It's very good condition all the time. But from time to time, heavy swell coming from the south. In that occasion, the port is closed. And when the port is closed, the vessel arriving to Peru to discharge oil crude oil or medium distillated, have to wait for reopen the port. So in that occasion, the ship-to-ship operation seems to be the best option for oil companies. We perform, as I told you, 3 operations so far, because the business of the ship-to-ship operation in Peru is recently starting. Medium-range vessels have been attended for our company, and we provide all the full package. We provide fenders, hoses for LPG and oil tankers, pilots, agency, service boat, TOG, oil spill recognized organizations, and POACs. By the way, I am one of them. This is the last operation between 2 medium range performed on August 2017. So far, our company has been audited by 3 oil companies in successful way. One of them is Phillips 66, BP, but the audit has been partially completed, and Repsol, who nominate to DYNAMARINE in order to audit it to our company in a successful way. Let me tell you something about DYNAMARINE. We received to the people in the middle of the 2017, and during 4 days, we were strictly audited for DYNAMARINE. But this experience left us some important benefit to our company. One of the things is our procedure and operation manual have been reinforced. To be honest, my procedure manual was weak, but now it's strong. It's okay. The knowledge of the people in charge have been enriched, because beside of the 4 days audit, this experience was also a classroom, because DYNAMARINE teaching many things that regarding ship-to-ship operation according to the last regulations. Our equipment maintenance process has been revised and improved. In fact, we have nominated a former chief engineer in order to be in charge of the supervision of third parties contractors who are in charge of maintenance of fender and annual tests for the hoses. So we know we are more confident now that our maintenance procedures or processes are now according to let DYNAMARINE recommend us. And finally, TRANSGAS is now a ship-to-ship cyber provider in Peru, who is now a more reliable company required by different oil traders. One of them is Repsol, Plus Petrol, Peru, the big oil company, Peruvian oil company. We are interested in to carry out ship-to-ship operation in a professional way in order to give to our clients confidence in our service. That's the reason I am here. It is to say thank you, Gustavo, but before that, I want to say that I am really happy to be here. I am really happy to meet interesting people. I am here in order to gain more experience. I will attend past tomorrow the simulator for ship-to-ship training because our target is to give to our clients or to our intended clients a good service in Peruvian waters. Thank you very much. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
We have one question already put through the Slido. Captain Medina, I know we can read that, but it says, are the Peruvian port authorities involved in STS operations?
Yes, of course. The Peruvian authorities, first of all, they approve our procedure manual, and they grant authorization in order to perform operations in Area 12. We have to apply for to send 24 hours at minimum information regarding full details about the intended operation. Okay. It's a similar joint plant operation to the port authorities. They need to know what will happen in Area 12 in the next day. So the port authorities are really closely involved in ship-to-ship operation in Peru.
Okay. Well, it sounds a very beautiful place, unlike Malta. But if you have
no, Malta is.
If you have
photos,
if you have an incident,
no.
How much have you had any incidents?
No,
or do you know?
No. Okay, according to our experience of making bunker operations, the incident is a small incident. Slow contact to the vessel, but nothing
Okay, that's
big
good
deal.
to know. Any questions, please?
Just only one comment.
Oh.
But I believe that the pilot is compulsory from the authorities there.
Yes, they are. Pilot is compulsory, and our service provides a 24-hour staging pilot on board. That is not compulsory, but we recommend that.
Good.
Because at any time, suddenly the weather condition can change, so it's necessary to unberth immediately.
Yeah, there's a next question that's come through regarding do you perform STS operations with your vessels? TRANSGAS, I will assume.
Okay, not yet, but we expect to do it in the next month, because one of the main oil terminal has been closed by maintenance in Peru. So the main company or the main one of the main company in Peru, Peru, require perform ship-to-ship operation by transferring LPG cargos. Yeah. So one of the vessels is chartered by them. So we expect to our vessel involved in that operation.
Good.
I don't know if my company will be the ship-to-ship service provider, but we don't see any conflict with to do almost to do the same.
Would you allow other service providers from, say, Europe to operate in Peru, or would you allow other service providers?
No. In my understanding, we are the only service provider authorized by port authorities.
So it'd be quite difficult then to have some competition in Callao.
Yes, okay, but we will try to do different.
Okay.
To take different responsibility to
Good.
that. Okay.
Good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Any other questions from the floor? We can have some at the end as well.
No. It's the only authorized operation is at anchor. Yes. Tsakos, yes. We use third-party contractor dog company. What is the specific question? If we need, yes, we use. It's compulsory for berthing and unberthing to use two tag. It depends on the type of the vessel, you know.
Okay. Thank you, Captain.
Yes,
more?
sir. Yes, Captain.
You wait for the microphone?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. My question is the approval by the Port Authority a regulatory enforced law by OC IMF? Because in the OCIMF rule, it is said that it is, I think, the state that authorizes a location. So I wanted to know the difference. Is it the port authority that authorizes a location, or is it the state that authorizes a location for STS operations? Thank you.
No, the port authorities have authorized the location. The port authorities have the control of all the Callao Bay. They have designated the area 12 only for bunkering and for ship-to-ship operations.
Okay. Okay, Captain, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay.